Bago tayo magsimula, ipapromote ko lang. Aking mga power bracelets, available po ito sa Shopee at sa TikTok. But most of my power bracelets are available sa Shopee. So, lahat po yan ako yung gumagawa. Meron tayong mga protection bracelets. So, this is a combination of fire agate and lucky red string, which I have been using for more than 4 years na. And then, meron tayong dalawang klase ng obsidian evil eye. We have the smaller version, which is the 6mm bead and the 8mm bead. This is good for warding off negative energies around you. And of course, yung mga evil eye. And then, we have the anti-evil eye bracelet. So, para to sa mga anti-inggit, ganyan, sa paligid nyo. And then, also, we have the selenite evil eye. So, the good thing about this is, multi-purpose na siya. Kini-cleanse na niya yung energies around you. And also, yung mga kasama niyang bracelets, cleansing and recharging as well. So, just like this one. Ayan. And then we have other bracelets for other intentions and manifestations. So meron tayong authentic malachite. This is for healing and also attraction of money and transformation. And marami pang iba. Meron din tayong chakra bracelet for balance. And we have the tiger's eye for courage. We have howlite for concentration and focus. We have rose quartz for attraction of love, self-love, and of course, amethyst for intuition, healing. Ayan. Lahat ng bracelet may kasama ng instruction leaflet, extra string, and a cute pouch. Ayan. Meron din ako mga bagong products sa aking shop. Ito yung Intention Oils. It comes with 2 sizes. Meron tayong dropper, which is 15 ml. Meron tayong roll-on na 5 ml. So, you can use this for manifestation ng prosperity and protection. So, while you are doing affirmations. And ito naman, you can, multi-purpose to, pwede mo rin itong gamitin when you are setting intentions. You can put this sa iyong candle if bago ka mag-set ng intention. So, this is for prosperity and protection na. Meron din akong spell jar for protection and prosperity. So, these are limited items lang kasi konti lang nagawa ko dahil lahat to ay chinarge ng super full moon nung full moon in Pisces. So now it is available. I think 5 to 7 pieces lang yung available for each. So lahat yan nasa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping. Gemini, hi. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ay energy update for you ngayong September 16 to 30, 2023. This is a general reading. So, maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. Panoorin nyo rin yung Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs ninyo. Para sa iba pang mensahe, meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So, gamitin nyo lang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, Gemini, let's see. What's up with you? Mars, motion, taking action, creating something, initiating something. So, I think merong exciting kang gagawin ngayong second half ng September. You also have Sagittarius expansion. Reaching new heights, that's what I heard, no? Maaring may improvement sa mga ginagawa mo ngayon. Let's say sa career mo. Yung iba sa inyo, kung kayo ay may balak na mag-aral or bumalik sa school or mag-research or pag-aralan ng isang bagay na interesado kayo, you will be able to do that ngayong September 16 to 30. Maaring may opportunity for you. Yung iba naman, this may be travel sa ibang bansa. You also have Neptune vision, which is about your goals, your dreams, what you really want to become. So I think mas lalo kang nagiging parang imaginative, no, sa mga goals mo sa buhay. So let's see more about this for Gemini. Ano tong iti-take action ng mga Gemini? Oops, okay. Leo, Moon and Leo. So I think this is parang it's like a transformation about yourself. Oo, na parang ilalabas mo yung confidence na hindi inaakala ng iba na meron ka, or even yourself, hindi mo inaakala na meron ka niyan. So, I think you are transforming yourself. You're becoming more excited in trying new things or experimenting sa sarili mo and becoming more confident na mas may tiwala ka sa sarili mo ngayon in doing things. Wow. Okay, let's see what else. Gemini. See, you have the Queen of Wands energy. So the Queen of Wands is someone na very creative, someone who's very expressive, and I think yung creativity mo ay magdadala sa'yo sa success, especially if you are more inspired in what you do. So yung iba sa inyo related to sa past, related sa mga dati nyong sinubukan, or yung mga gusto nyo talagang gawin na maaring hindi nyo lang pinagpatuloy because walang opportunity that time. So ngayon may mas magbibigay sa inyo ng pagkakataon na patunayan ang inyong sarili. There are times na isi-second guess mo yung sarili mo. There are times na parang i-question mo yung sarili mo na, do you really need to do this? Ito ba talaga yung para sa'yo? So, sometimes, you will still feel insecure, or you will feel na may kulang pa sa'yo. But you're going to leave that situation. So, aalis ka na dyan sa overthinking mo or self-pity mo, because you are here to try new experiences, try new things, experience new things na magbibigay sa'yo ng stability, especially in your career, your finances. So, I think yung iba sa inyo pwedeng magiging dependent, self-reliant, especially sa career. Maaring mas magfo-focus kayo on entrepreneurship. Yung pagiging negosyante or self-employed, may opportunity for you to work from home or to acquire properties. You have infinite resources. You have this creative force in you na so magical na parang you are very much inspired in what you want to do, kahit ikaw lang mag-isa yung gagawa niyan. It's like you don't care kung may mga taong against sa gusto mong gawin, or not actually against, pwedeng hindi ka sinusuportahan sa gusto mo, but for you, maninindigan ka para sa sarili mo. Yes, you are going within you. You are also focusing on your family, building a future for your family. Merong new beginnings for you. It's like an ending. Parang, yung old self mo ay nag-end na. And you are becoming a new version of yourself, which is stronger, which is better, which is more powerful, stronger, mas determined. So, let's see what else sa iyong money, career, finances. Gemini, money, career, finances. Taking chances. You are taking a leap of faith. So, sa career, sa trabaho, sa finances, meron kang susubukan or meron kang magte-take ka ng risk sa isang bagay na alam mong you want to, parang gusto mong sumugal dito no? Pwedeng sa business to. It's time to get into business. You are ready to take the challenge and be your own boss. Ayun na yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Your experience is enough to create your enterprise. Business ito for some of you. If you are interested in business, pwede ring self-employment. You have the 10 of Cups. This is going to bring you happiness and fulfillment. Wow. 9 of Pentacles, financial stability and financial security. And of course, this is about expansion. So, I think, kung kung yung iba sa inyo nag-iisip na gusto niyo magnegosyo, be your own boss, you try it, lalo na kung may dumating na opportunity sa inyo. Or pwedeng you create your own opportunity. Hindi na kailangang hintayin pa na may dumating sa inyo kasi kayo yung kaya nyong gumawa ng opportunity na yan. You try it because this is going to be, parang magiging mabilis ang growth nito eh. So, let's see your love life, romance, and flirting. Oh, okay. So, yung iba sa inyo, Gemini, maaring meron kayong makikilala na sa una, hindi ganun kaseryoso, but eventually, you might find yourself in love with this person, especially if you're looking for a romantic partner. Son of Cups, meron talagang parating na love para sa inyo. If you are already in a relationship, I think mas lalong, yung parang magiging flirtatious kayo sa partner ninyo. You have the Hermit card and the Seven of Swords. Okay. So, be careful lang sa intentions ng ibang tao sa inyo kasi pwedeng meron dito na ma-experience kayo na hindi maganda yung intentions ng person na to, lalo na kung puro flirting lang yung kayang gawin. So, much better na i-assess mo muna yung relationship before going deeper, no? Or parang before investing in this type of connection. Kasi baka meron siyang hindi magandang intention. So, syempre, ikaw yung nakakaalam niyan. You will find it. You will be able to see it. You will be able to feel it kapag hindi totoo yung feelings ng person na to. Or maaring meron tong itinatago sa'yo. Pwedeng totoo naman yung feelings niya, but there's a catch or tipong meron palang sabit itong person na to, or you might get into a complicated relationship. Okay? So, be careful. That is your reading, Gemini. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Gemini. See you again.